My hair looks whack right now. Hi everyone, my name's Lainey. If you're new to my channel, thanks so much for stopping by. And if you're a subscriber, hey, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing the little flipped hair tutorial that I had in my last video, and I'm going to show you a few different ways to wear that style. A few is three, a few different ways. So my hair's actually not the cleanest right now. I slept with it in braids, but my hair normally dries pretty straight naturally, and I know that's not the case for most people, so I think it's better to work on my hair this way and then show you the final product. So let's just get into it. The first thing I'm gonna do is brush my hair because I haven't done that this morning. And then I'm gonna section my hair. I've been making TikToks and I was deciding, like, do I make this a TikTok too? Should that overhead light be off? Ooh, TikToks are hard. It just took me an extra like 30 minutes to try and set up. Oh, now I'm sweating to set up my phone camera too. The first thing I'm going to do is section off my hair into two parts. And this is just so I don't miss anything. So the bottom, you're gonna do exactly what you think you're supposed to do. And that's just starting with like a half inch, an inch section, I can't tell. Please ignore my roots. I think I'm gonna box tie my hair ASAP. I'm gonna take this New Me straightener. It's like an inch wide. You wanna have a smaller one. I have like a 4-inch straightener, like the big paddles, and it doesn't work as well. The smaller ones work a lot better. I don't really know. I think I have it at like 300 for the heat. And I'm just gonna go all the way down. Maybe we can do a little more than that. And there. I think that's like the perfect amount of flip. It'll fall out a little bit too. And the thing that you want to make sure is when you're doing your hair and it's not already straight, you go all the way halfway down. Well, for mine it's like halfway down. I would say you start flipping with like 3 inches of hair left. So it depends for everyone. So you're just gonna go through and do this with little inch. Now flip. Wide sections. So I'm gonna go through, finish this layer of my hair. So the bottom is all flipped up, and with this hairstyle, it doesn't matter if you brush through it after it's curled or cooled down. I actually like to brush through it. It gives it more of a blowout look rather than a I took my straightener and poof. So now I'm gonna take out the top section of my hair, and I only do 2 sections. If you need more or less, that's okay too. I don't think it really matters. It's just what's easiest for me to get all my hair. And you don't have to be super precise because it's not like curling. Like if you go over the same section, it messes it up. Like you can go over the same section a million times. They're all going in the same direction. So it's actually a lot easier. I'm going to leave out these front bang pieces. They're not really bangs. Let's talk about this real quick. That is so embarrassing, I just showed you all that. That is my chemical bang from bleaching my hair. I went to a hairdresser that wasn't my normal hairdresser because I went to school in Grand Rapids. Ew. That's so weird. I went to school in Grand Rapids and I live in like the Detroit metro area, so my hairdresser's in Detroit. I didn't want to drive 2 hours and go to her to get my roots done when my hair was like platinum. So I just went to a random lady and she gave me a chemical bang. Don't bleach your own hair. This wasn't even me bleaching my own hair, but don't bleach your own hair. After tying up the face framing pieces, we're gonna go through this layer of hair and do the same thing all the way down and flip. There we go. Cute. Let's keep going. So we just finished that layer too, and now I'm gonna brush it out. Oh, because I like the look of it brushed out. Now we're gonna take out those face framing pieces and fix my part. I don't think my TikTok's going well. The reason I've kept out these face framing pieces is because what I like to do is curl them in. I don't like them flipped out. So if you don't have these pieces, it'd be more all flipped out, but I really like how these end up looking with more layered kind of hair. I'm gonna turn down my straightener too, because this is where your hair can fall off. And we're just going to have it like that to really frame the face. So I just messed up there because this piece has some shorter pieces in it. You want to make sure you're always taking out the short from the long, because if you don't curl at the very end of this short, it's just going to be weird. That one was so curly. It'll fall out. Okay. And the next side. I think we've got all the pieces curled. I'm gonna do this one again. So now we're gonna let it set for a second before we start messing with it. Now I'm just talking, but everyone on TikTok is like, if you want to get TikTok famous, go in the sunlight and use effects, blah blah. I'm like, sunlight? What's that? I live in Michigan. It actually snowed today. There's snow on the ground. Like, everything's white outside. It's disgusting. I can't believe it's done this to me. Okay, now I'm gonna brush out my hair. Again, if you don't like it brushed out, you don't have to. But what I am gonna do is zhuzh this part up because I like the volume. And there is the super cute flipped out blowout kind of look. So this is with everything down. I'm gonna show you 2 more versions of this hairstyle, but first let's check this one out. That's embarrassing. Okay, so now we're gonna do the second little hairstyle. What you need for this one is just 2 bobby pins and a comb with the pick at the end. And then also if you want some hairspray. I prefer hairspray. So what I'm gonna do is go in about 1.5 to 2 inches into my part and do a straight line down my hair. Or scalp or whatever. It's basically just making sure you hit your ear there. And then we can pull this one back for a sec and do it to the other side, making it as even as possible. Then we're gonna pull back our hair for the time being. We're gonna brush these out and make sure they're smooth as we can get them. They're about even. Then I'm gonna spray them down with hairspray. You really don't have to do this if you don't have a chemical bang, but I'm blessed. So, right in the face. And we're gonna brush it out to lay them flat, and take your bobby pin. You see the chemical bang? She's cute. Laying it as flat as we can. I'm gonna have to add more hairspray for her. And then we're gonna take the bobby pin right behind the ear. Brandon's calling me. We're gonna do it to the other side. Brandon just called and said Michigan is on lockdown for 3 weeks. Not that that's any different than what I've been doing. And that is the super cute kind of 60s inspired, 60s. I think it's very 60s. Oh my god, I'm so stupid sometimes. and we'll just brush it out to kind of fix the edges. I think this one is so cute. It's just like the headband with your hair. I love it. And we have one more style after this. But this one's super easy once you already have the edges curled. I think it looks so put together. My camera battery died, but the best thing I've ever done is get 2 camera chargers. Last hairstyle. So we can take out these little bobby pins, but we're gonna resection the 2 parts of hair again. Should be pretty easy because it's already there. And it's already glued in place. So split this into 2 pieces, and we're just gonna kind of lead them out of the hair. And then from the ears again, we can go straight back with this side. From the ear, go straight up into the crown of your head. So you're like parting up. Now we're going to brush it all up so it's smooth. My roots have never looked better. So we're gonna make this ponytail on the crown of our head and tighten it up there. Now we have this ponytail up top. Then we're going to take these front bang pieces and pin them behind our ears like we did with the other hairstyle. And hide it with your hair. You're gonna make sure it's really tight. I think it looks really cute when it sticks like up more. And I'm gonna take a small piece from the back of the ponytail and just wrap it around the elastic to make it look more chic. And then take a bobby pin and pin that in. You won't be able to see this one from the ponytail hair. So for this, you might need to go in and fix up your hair a little bit. When it comes to the top, I actually like when the ponytail curls in instead of out. I think it frames the face a lot better. It's kind of hard to do right now because I already had it flipping out. And there's the last hairstyle. I think like I saw Bella Hadid wearing this in Kim Kardashian, and I think it's such a cute like baby little hairstyle. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will be posting a new video in a few days. I'm actually gonna film another one right now. I hope you guys are still staying safe and staying inside. I don't know how many times I'm gonna be saying that in videos. Hopefully not for too much longer. Things will start going a little bit more back to normal. I love you guys so much. Leave a comment below what your favorite hairstyle is, and if you have any video ideas for me, because I'm ready to start banging out videos for you guys. I love you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys in a few days. I love you. Bye.